It's the first meeting. So we're meeting Ambassador. He's a good friend, Ambassador sa Indonesia, from Saudi. So we talk about possible business ventures. Yeah, let's go, Kapit. Natapos lang ng first meeting natin kay Ambassador Abdulaziz tsaka kay Amba Alcayat, yung mga kaibigan natin. Now we're proceeding to build industries or build company with Boss Anton and Ma'am Kat
and the rest of the team.
and the rest of the team at the back. Ang lamig dito sa Saudi. Lamig. Bagay na bagay sa coat na suot ko. Pinag-coat ako nito mga to eh. Tawat pala, nakapang ano tayo dito. Nakapang palladium lang. Anyway, mamaya sama kayo sa amin mga kapipsa. Wala pang tulog, lobat, pasensya na. Tao lang. I love you. Tapos lang ng ng meeting. So we're very happy to in the favor of both parties. Ambassador, sir, say hi. And engineer.
Yes. Please, thank you very much for your time.
This is Ambassador Abdulaziz.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Engineer Bob.
We are very happy and thank you very much for all the people in the Philippines. We love you all, and I think this is a very good, very qualitative step as our big boss.
We believe this will be a start of something big.
Yes.
This is the future.
Very soon, very soon. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you for these people, especially engineer and ambassador.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.